Sing with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Allah Almighty is the creator of you, me, and this whole universe by the grace of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Respectable, reputable, dear sir, and all dear friends, I greet you with Assalamu Alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
The topic on which I have the opportunity to speak today is love of career. My dears, achieving goals without sacrifice is a myth. If you want to achieve something in your life, you can achieve. There is nothing which can stop you achieve something except you. If you work hard, you will be successful in your future. Otherwise, you will not successful in your future. Your future is according to your past. My dear, whatever actions were you were in whatever actions were you are in past, your future will be same. If you work hard, if you had sacrificed everything in your past, then future will be very smoothly and glorious. It will be very shining. My dears, you should read more and more books because there are many people who are successful for books, reading books. If you read daily 500 pages, you will be automatically think positive. And thinking positive, it is the way of success. Success does not come to you. You will go to it. If you have power to achieve something in your life, you can achieve. Except be patient and consistency. Consistency, it is the most important and valuable thing in your life which can make you to grow more. My dears, nothing happens overnight. If you are thinking that I have worked a lot but still I do not have success, so wait. Success, it will uh, it will be in your hand when the time will come. And do not waste your time useless. For an example, if you are wasting your time useless thinking, I know you know better than me, whatever useless things are in your life, cut it off, because they will nothing give you except hardness, except bad thinking. And do not invest yourself in the wrong people, because when you invest yourself in the wrong people, they break you into pieces, they torn you apart, then you cannot recover yourself anytime. And do not use mobile that much for your career. When you will use mobile too much, mobile will give you a harm which can never filled with a positive way. I mean good way. So use mobile in one limit. If you will cross your limit, you will forget your ambition and you will use mobile too much. In the termination of my speech, I would say use it